Compassionate Jaykumar. It's a lovely session of a sweet which is Lauki Halwa. It's a wonderful sweet done with a bottle gourd or Lauki. So let's look into how to do this. Now heat a pan and add just 1 spoon of ghee. Now here we have the Lauki or bottle gourd. Just put it in a vessel and squeeze the excess water out of it, and then you can add it to the pan. See, for shooting purpose I had just grated it and left it for some time, so there is a slight change in color. But while you're doing it, you'll have to be just careful to do it immediately as soon as you grate it. Now to have a mild natural color, I'm adding some turmeric powder. This is optional. If you don't want, you can have the regular color of the Lauki or the bottle gourd. See, we're not adding any water. Now what will happen is the water content in this vegetable will ooze out and the vegetable will get cooked in that. So let's close it and leave it for 10 minutes in medium flame. After 7 minutes, see, the water has evaporated. Now let's add the glass of milk. Now add the milk powder. See, the Lauki has to get cooked completely in this milk, and then we can add the sugar. Now after 5 minutes, this milk has evaporated completely and the Laukis are cooked well. So at this stage we can add the sugar. Let's add the remaining ghee. After 15 minutes, can you see the sugar has been dissolved and absorbed by the sweet, and it's leaving the sides of the pan. Now add the cardamom powder, little cashew nuts. See, just to avoid the kova, we have added some milk powder to this. But if you feel that it's easily available, kova is easily available, then you can add the kova instead of milk powder. Our Lauki halwa is ready to be served. So dear friends, hope you enjoyed this session of making the lovely and yummy Lauki halwa. It was very simple, isn't it? Do try this and keep us posted. Dosa Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. If you like this video, press like, subscribe to Dosa Pizza, and for your principal recipes visit dosapizza.com. Thank you and bye-bye.